Hello students, in the present video, we will solve an example based on the Taylor's stability number. Okay. First, note down the question. A canal having side slopes 1:2 is proposed to be constructed in a cohesive soil to a depth of 5 meter above to a depth of 5 meter above ground surface. Okay. Now, the soil properties are given below. The soil properties are given below. Okay. Let us consider the height of the depth of the cozy soil. Let us say consider it as a 6 meter. Okay. Let us assume it as a 6 meter. So, what are the properties of the given soil? That is, undrained friction is given as 20 degrees, and also undrained cohesion that will be given as 15 kilonewton per meter square, and also the void ratio of the sample is given as 0.7 and the specific gravity is given as the 2.65. Okay, so here you have to find the factor of safety with respect to cohesion when canal is full of water. Let us consider the stability number for the slope is given as 0.08. Okay, this data will be given in the question. Okay, don't worry about this. Now read the question. What they are doing, they are constructing a canal. Okay, what are the slopes? Okay, 1:2. Fine. In a cohesive soil to a depth of, that means what is the height of the canal is given, or height of the slope 6 meter above the ground surface. Okay, these properties are given. So here you have to find out the factor of safety with respect to cohesion. This is what our main motive. So can you recall what is the factor of safety with respect to cohesion? That can be written as C divided by Cm. What about the C value given under condition? That will be given as 15. Okay, let us assume that the critical value. That means how much the soil can be capable of resisting the cohesion. That is given in the question as 15 kilonewton per meter square. What about the mobilizer value? Can we find out this? Obviously, no. From the given data, we cannot. So, if you reread the question once again, they have given you the stability number. That means by using stability number, you may find out the answer. So, what is the stability number? That can be written as Sn will be equal to C divided by factor of safety into gamma into H. Now, if you see here, the canal is full of water. If the canal is full of water, that is nothing but the canal is under submerged condition. If canal is under submerged condition, then you have to use weight density as the submerged weight density. Okay. Factor of safety, what we have to find? Factor of safety, Sn value is given a, gamma value can be find out. H value, how much it is given? In the actual case, the H value is given as a 6 meter and C value is given as a 15 kilonewton per meter square. Depend upon the slope and the phi value, what is the stability number given? The stability number is given as, okay, let us assume that it is 0.09. Okay, fine, 0.08. So stability number is given as 0.08. So what is the remaining data required? So in the place of gamma, you have to use gamma dash. Did they directly given in the question? No. So how would you have to find out? First, you have to find out the gamma set. What is the gamma set? G plus C divided by 1 plus C into gamma W. If you substitute these values, you will get a magnitude of 19.34 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay. Now, how can you find out the submerged unit weight? That will be nothing but a gamma set minus gamma W. If you take gamma W as 9.81, 19.34 minus 9.81, that you will get it as a 9.52 kilonewton per meter cube. That's it. Substitute those values in the equation. Now the equation is becoming how? Sn will be equal to C divided by factor of safety. As the soil is under submerged condition, you have to take submerged unit weight into height. So from this, what is the factor of safety? That can be written as C divided by stability number into gamma dash into H. So C value given it as a 15 divided by stability number 0.08 into gamma dash 9.52, H value 6. So from this, what is the factor of safety with respect to cohesion? See, if they tell you factor of safety with respect to cohesion, then you have to see as a critical. If they have told you factor of safety with respect to height, then it should be critical height. This already we have discussed. So simplify this equation and tell me how much you are getting. Any answers? So we can get the factor of safety as 3.282. Okay, this is the correct answer. As it is greater than 1, then we can say that the soil is stable position. Whatever the stable that we have constructed, the finite slope, that is a stable one. Okay, remember, in the present case, the soil is under submerged condition. That's why you have to use the submerged unit weight. Depending upon the conditions of the soil, you have to change the gamma values. Then only we will end up with the right answers. Okay, thank you.